If you're new to the world of billiards, you may be surprised to know how many different billiard games there are. And while it's true that 8-ball and 9-ball are the most popular, there's lots of other billiard games that are also a lot of fun. You may also wrongly assume that billiards, or pool as it's commonly called, is a man's game. Well, that's certainly not true at Cypress Cove in Fort Myers, Florida. Today you're going to meet a group of ladies whose mantra is, "We beat people with a stick for fun." A cue stick, that is. Most pool games are one-on-one, one person against another. In partners pool, to keep things fair, you need an unbiased way to pair up the partners. Here's how they do it at Cypress Cove.
So they pick the number.
Okay.
So it's all done.
Okay.
Thank you. 10.
Okay.
14, 6.
Okay.
So Sandy and I are partners.
Yes.
Because we're the two highest.
Now. Come on.
Oh, good. Ball in hand for my partner.
That is called a scratch, and that's called ball in hand. We used to call it handball before we got more professional. Ball in hand.
Do one for each person, and then they can be great.
That one.
So I'm going to pick
So
something
you're
I
gonna
think
take
will
the
go
hard
in.
one?
So I'm going to get the 14 in. We don't usually call the pockets, but sometimes we do for the fun of it.
Well, she can
Here's a
say it
14.
and do it.
Yes, the
I'll get
rest of
another
us
turn
can't.
because I got the stripe in and we are stripes on the board there. So let's see what I can do with that 9. This is called spotting the ball.
Lorraine is our coach. Did you get that, John?
Oh, you got it.
Hey. All right.
This is our best friend. It's called the bridge.
Some of us.
Some of our best friends.
Shirley's best.
All right.
Nice.
No, here she's going to clear the board again. Table.
Nice,
Okay.
Lorraine.
Now, I don't have a shot.
She's a pro.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, Pat.
I know.
Whitewashing this. Look at that. Man.
Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Oh,
Almost.
It's a pool hall.
Right.
We have to sometimes close the door because it gets a little rowdy.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
good shot.
Good shot. It's a pool hall, but we have no booze.
no cigars. I don't know what we're doing here.
No spittoons.
Oh. Jump up and down.
Work.
Yay! Nice.
Finally.
Okay.
You think so?
Not the cue ball with it. Nice. Whoa, nice. See, you're coming back fast. Oh, wow. Really nice. Oh, now,
Oh.
now the yellow's lined
I'm
up
gonna get
this way.
this away.
Nice. Yay. Nice. All right, now we come back and get the purple one.
They're catching up, Sandy, they're catching
Which
up.
one?
Shirley's gonna, this is my shining moment, John.
All right.
Low and slow. Low and slow.
Slow.
Low and slow, so that you don't get the cue ball to foul. Perfect. Perfect.
My shining moment.
Okay.
Good.
All right.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah,
All right, what do you win?
We win to stand up long enough to play the next one.
Yeah.
All right, well, today I'm with the ladies billiard team Or what do you guys call yourselves?
We don't have an official name.
No official name.
Because we're not an official team.
All right. Well, I'm sorry to stereotype, but when I first found out there was a billiards room here, and I thought, pool,
Yeah.
I want to go down and shoot something with the guys.
Yeah.
Now, I'm old enough that I remember a pool hall was usually all guys,
Yep.
was not a place for women, cigar smoking was common,
Right?
and the language was a little salty.
Yeah.
So then, one day, I'm walking by the billiard room, and here you ladies are playing.
Was the door closed, so it was quiet?
We hope.
So, why don't you introduce yourselves and tell me how long have you been playing pool? We'll start down there.
We start.
3 months ago.
My name is Pat Sheehy from Cape Cod, Massachusetts. And I've been playing, I think this is my third game or fourth game.
Of your life?
No, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
third or fourth game.
yes.
You're sinking balls pretty good.
She watches YouTube videos.
Huh?
She watches YouTube
Oh,
videos.
Yeah.
YouTube
She
videos.
learns.
That's right.
All right, next,
I'm
Shirley.
Shirley Boner, and I don't know when we started, 4 months
She
ago
said
or
3 or
something?
4
About
months.
3 or 4 months
Oh,
ago.
so the whole group of you started about the same time?
Lorraine's been
Yeah.
playing longer, but the rest of us all.
And Pat's
Yeah.
the newest member. Pat just joined us
Yeah.
Yeah.
within the last month.
So Lorraine, what, you kind of like got the idea, let's get some ladies and
She
shoot
plays
some?
with the boys, so she
She plays with the
actually
boys.
recruited the girls.
All
Yeah.
right,
Right, we started off with just 2 or 3 of us, and then each of us recommended ourselves to other friends.
Uh-huh.
And we ended up, actually, we have more women playing right now than the men have playing 3 times a week.
well, Barb, tell us about you.
Barb Pannone. I started playing with the boys when I moved here, but I didn't like 9 o'clock in the morning, so Lorraine started afternoon, and I'm playing afternoon with the girls.
Yeah.
All right, I'll come to you last.
Sandy Clemento, and I've been playing about 4 months. One of my friends had been playing in the group, and she had problems with her back. So she said, "Why don't you try that?" And I said, "Oh, I played once, probably 48 years ago when I started teaching nursing, and I remember nothing, and it's not like riding a bike."
You're a good shooter, so I can tell you played before. Joan?
Joan Rogers and I started playing 3 or 4 months ago.
All right. So Lorraine, how often do you play? I mean, tell us, I'm so sorry. Tell us a little bit about this group.
Well, it's a ladies' group, which means we're infinitely a lot more fun for the most part than the men's group.
Yes.
The men are pretty serious. And we don't joke around too much, but we compliment each other, we encourage each other. But with the women, it's more of a bond.
Okay.
Good one.
Oh, nice.
So we're south.
Oh, we should
So
also
we're
mention that
solid.
Barb. Look at that, very good, very
Beautiful.
good.
Good one. Yeah.
The judge of our touch.
Yes.
Yeah, got it.
That's a patent on that one.
Oh, Joe, that was awesome.
Excellent.
That's great.
When you're not actually playing the game, you gals take turns being a scorekeeper
Yes,
or keeping.
with our official.
Yeah, I
board.
think that all the viewers should get an explanation of it. This is pretty official looking. Explain what you're doing.
We had a small amount of trouble remembering whose turn it was and whether they're stripes or solids, so Lorraine bought us a magic marker board, and it works very well.
And there's where we're at, right?
And yes, they still make them, just like us.
Pat, you're the newest person
Yes.
playing pool.
I'm the novice.
So what do you like? I mean, what do you like best about coming down here and shooting pool?
Oh, that's easy to answer, John. I like the ladies. I like the camaraderie. I love the athleticism, because I do like that, but most of all, I love the ladies. They're so supportive.
What do you like best about playing pool?
I love playing pool because I can get better at it and better at it every day. When I get a good shot and get excited, it gives you a good reason to come back the next time to play again.
How many times a week do you play? Because I got a feeling you're here more often than Tuesday and Thursday.
5 days a week.
5 days a week?
3 with the men in the morning, 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then 2 in the afternoon with the ladies.
How do you fare with the guys when you play?
I like to say that I'm competition.
Okay.
I'm certainly not up to their levels.
Yeah.
But they're very kind and supportive, so on competition.
Well, Shirley, what do you
Yes.
like best about shooting pool with the ladies?
You know, you can have a rotten day and come over here and just clear your head, have a good time. Yeah, it's just fun. When we get a good shot, we all celebrate.
What do you like best about it?
I think everybody said it. It's fun. We have a good time and
Yeah.
just enjoy each other and the game.
Do you take your cue stick home with you when you go?
No.
Get that 8-ball in and you're done.
But it's also possible to scratch shot.
Look at that.
Okay.
Beautiful.